Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless money career reading for you. Maaari kayong makaresonate nito sa past, present, or sa future. So, panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So, unahin natin ang inyong finances, kaperahan for Pisces. Ano yung recent past sa inyong money? 8 of Wands. Mukhang marami kayong gastos sa recent past. Pwedeng marami kayong binibili or parang palabas ang mga kaperahan ninyo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo nag-travel or meron kayong ini-improve sa inyong sarili, sa business ninyo, sa trabaho ninyo. So, more like, puro palabas ang pera. So, tignan natin yung inyong current energy sa money. You have the Queen of Wands. This is creativity. And also business. Queen of Wands is also someone na ginagamit niya yung kanyang mga talento, yung kanyang skills to earn money. And I feel like you are happy about what is going on sa finances mo. Kahit na marami kang ginagastos, it seems na bumabalik rin sa'yo yung ginagastos mo. So, pwedeng may business ka and then, of course, meron kang mga kailangang bilhin for your business. And it's coming back, no? Bumabalik rin sa'yo. You want to be fully in control of your finances right now. There are just times na may pagka-impulsive ka kapag gumagamit ka ng pera. Or gumagastos ka. Na pag gusto mo, yes, go, push, ganon. Let's see your future. Near future for Pisces, money. You have Two of Pentacles. Ooh, very busy energy for you in the future. Pwedeng marami kang sources of income, multiple streams of income. You're trying to balance your time, your energy pagdating sa pagkita ng pera. Very busy. And it seems na you are enjoying it. You are on top of your game. And you can handle it no? Kahit na para sa iba, akala nila mahirap. But for you, kaya mo. Manageable. So, sa inyo namang career, recent past, Three of Cups. Recent past sa career nyo, I think you've been working with some people sa trabaho or madalas ka ngayon na nagne-network. Marami kang mga nakakausap sa work mo. Kumbaga yung mga taong kailangan mong makakonect para maging maunlad or umangat ka sa trabaho, ginagawa mo. You may be rubbing elbows with yung mga nasa posisyon. And some of you, nag-enjoy kayo sa mga activities na ginagawa nyo sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, especially if you are doing it with your colleagues na friends mo rin. So, your current energy, you have the Page of Swords. You are learning a lot. Hindi natatapos sa kaalaman mo ngayon yung career mo. Yung tipong gusto mo, mas marami ka pang matutunan. Oo. Possible rin na sa trabaho mo, merong interesado na maging kaibigan ka kasi nakikita nila na parang ang bilis ng pag-angat mo sa career mo or sa trabaho mo. So, sa near future, sa career, Nine of Cups, there's going to be fulfillment sa career ninyo. A lot of happiness. And I think you will gain more fame or tipong meron kang sense of achievement and dun ka magiging fulfilled sa career mo. Very powerful tong reading for you, Pisces. So, tingnan natin yung inyong advice. Ano yung advice sa inyo ng universe? You have the Six of Pentacles. Okay, the advice is balance, to share what you have. Kumbaga, give back to the people who are supporting you, who are taking care of you. Yung mga tao na nandyan, ng mga panahon na inaabot mo yung pangarap mo. The people who are willing to help you achieve your goals and dreams. And also, help other people din. Pwedeng sharing your knowledge or helping others in any way you can, in any form. Wow, Queen of Pentacles. You are so resourceful. So, marami ka pang pwedeng ma-achieve. Marami ka pang kayang gawin, Pisces. With the Queen of Pentacles energy here, meron kang leadership role Or you are the leader of your own reality, of your own career, of your own goals. So, it seems na kayang-kaya mong mapagtagumpayan yung career mo na kung saan masusustain mo yung mga needs mo and needs ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Let's see what else. Taking chances. You are taking a leap of faith. Maaring meron kang susubukan na you've never tried before. Can be a business or a new career. Authority. See, your career is on the process of upgrade, Pisces. There is an opportunity for you to become an authority sa field of work mo. So, pwedeng may may promotion sa trabaho. You are going to be the leader you wish you had. Leadership role talaga. Watch out. Kasi Pisces, there is more than meets the eye. Merong mga tao pa rin sa paligid mo na they don't like seeing you being successful kasi parang feeling nila nasasapawan mo sila. Someone might be taking advantage of your vulnerability. So, maging maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Oo. So, make sure na itong mga taong nasa paligid mo ay kilala mo at alam mo na supporter mo. And if you feel na parang there's something off dun sa tao na yon, then i-reassess mo yung connection ninyo. Baka nga, no? Oo, baka nga merong hindi magandang intention. So, umiwas ka na lang. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.